Hey there. Have you ever thought about the incredible journey of South Africa towards independence? It's truly a fascinating and inspiring story.
Absolutely. The struggle for independence in South Africa is one of the most significant and inspiring movements in history. The resilience and determination of the people involved is truly remarkable.
It all started with the colonization of South Africa by European powers in the 17th century. The Dutch East India Company established a settlement in Cape Town in 1652, and later, the British also gained control of the region. The indigenous people faced oppression and discrimination, setting the stage for a long and challenging road to independence.
Right, the colonization led to deep-rooted social and economic inequalities, especially with the implementation of apartheid in the mid-20th century. Apartheid institutionalized racial segregation and discrimination, leading to widespread human rights abuses and social unrest. The brave individuals who stood up against this injustice paved the way for the country's independence.
One of the key figures in the fight against apartheid was Nelson Mandela. His leadership and unwavering dedication to the cause of freedom inspired millions around the world. Mandela's efforts, along with those of other anti-apartheid activists and organizations like the African National Congress (ANC), played a vital role in the eventual dismantling of apartheid policies.
Mandela's story is truly remarkable. He spent 27 years in prison for his anti-apartheid activities and emerged as a symbol of hope and reconciliation. His release from prison in 1990 marked a turning point in South Africa's struggle for independence. The negotiations that followed between the ANC and the government led to the first multiracial elections in 1994.
The 1994 elections were a historic moment for South Africa and the world. It was the first time in the country's history that all citizens, regardless of race, had the right to vote. Mandela, after being released from prison, became the first black president of South Africa. His presidency focused on reconciliation, nation-building, and addressing the deep-seated issues caused by decades of apartheid.
Mandela's approach to forgiveness and unity was instrumental in preventing a violent transition to majority rule. His government implemented policies aimed at addressing the socio-economic disparities created by apartheid. Land reform, education, health care, and economic development became key priorities to uplift the previously marginalized communities.
It's amazing to see how South Africa has transformed since gaining independence. The country's journey, although challenging, serves as a beacon of hope for other nations struggling against oppression. The Truth and Reconciliation Commission, established under Mandela's leadership, allowed victims and perpetrators of human rights violations to share their stories and promote healing and understanding.
Absolutely. The Truth and Reconciliation Commission was a groundbreaking initiative. It provided a platform for people to confront the past, acknowledge the truth, and work towards reconciliation. This process was crucial in fostering a sense of national unity and collective healing. It's a testament to the resilience of the South African people.
South Africa's journey towards independence also highlights the importance of international solidarity. The global anti-apartheid movement played a significant role in raising awareness about the injustices in South Africa. Boycotts, divestment campaigns, and international pressure put pressure on the apartheid regime and contributed to the eventual change.
International support indeed played a vital role. It showcased the power of collective action and the importance of standing up against injustice, even if it's happening in a different part of the world. The lessons from South Africa's struggle for independence continue to inspire movements for freedom and equality worldwide.
Definitely, the lessons from South Africa's struggle are timeless. They remind us of the importance of perseverance, unity, and the belief in the possibility of change, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. South Africa's independence journey will always be a source of inspiration for generations to come.
I couldn't agree more. South Africa's path to freedom serves as a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. It shows that with determination, courage, and the collective will of the people, any society can overcome oppression and build a future based on equality, justice, and freedom. It's a story that needs to be shared and remembered, ensuring that the lessons learned continue to shape a better world for all.